ಸರ್ ನೀತಿ ಆಯೋಗದ್ದು ಕಳೆದ ಬಾರಿ ವಿವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು
ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಾರಿ
ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ ದಿನವೇ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್.
ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ PM ನ ಭೇಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ. PM ಗೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. PM ನಾಳೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸಚಿವ ಸಂಪುಟ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ
ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೂ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸುಮಾರು 1 ತಾಸು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್?
Sir, on Niti Aayog meeting tomorrow, meeting with Sonia ma'am also, but
See, today I came to pay my respect to my leader. I went to the Youth Congress office. I went to NSY office. I went to Indira Bhavan. I went to Mahila Congress office. They all are a part of our foundation. They are the 4 pillars of our party. So it is my bound duty. I have been grown from the NSY and Youth Congress. So I have gone there. I paid my respect. Then I met my leader, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, and I just came. And today I had a meeting with Qatar Sahab also. Lot of projects connected to Bangalore and other urban challenge fund. I have just represented there. After that, then we have come out with a lot of issues which are being long pending in the central government. This is what I have done.
tomorrow there is Niti Aayog meeting.
Niti Aayog, yes, I am coming there. I will present my case there. In the interest of the state, larger interest, I am just discussing on that. I will be delivering a speech there also. I know what Karnataka needs, what we have to present to, because the world is looking India through Bangalore. That is what I am going to tell that. Because this is a place, after Delhi, Mumbai, this is a place where the entire people are coming. So we have to accommodate all sections of society there. And the talent pool is there that I have to tell. We have to create more infrastructure on connected to Karnataka in all sections, not only the urban mobility or anything, including the agriculture, including all sections of the society, we have to keep in our mind.
Sir, yesterday we have seen your all big leaders was outside election commission office and they were protesting against Meenakshi Natarajan nomination. What do you want to say on that?
See, it is a shocking news to the entire country. I also have contested a number of elections. The electoral officer or who returning officer doesn't have power to reject it. If anything is there, they could have gone to the court after the election. Now they can't reject the. It is a purely on the instruction. It has been done. They are not supposed to. Suppose someone has filed some FIR. How will I know? If someone might have filed some FIR in UP in my name, I will not know. See, if she has come to know, definitely she is a very seasoned leader of my party. So it is very wrong what they have created. If anything is there, even earlier also, there was such type of issues when my nomination paper was there. They give me an opportunity to correct it. If someone has given, they would have given. This is a case of election. After the election, they should have taken up these issues. They can't. In some cases, one side, someone will leave. You will not know. One of my father might have given some gift. You will not know. Or some property might have come. So all these things are there. So this is purely a political vendetta. Earlier also, they planned when our numbers were more. Also, the BJP had said that they are going to win all the seats. How it could happen? This is unfair what has been done in Madhya Pradesh. It is a shame on democracy.
June 20 ನಂತರ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್